Yeah. Which am I doing? There was 16. All right, we're going to do question 16. X 60, 60. X squared, 1 over x squared, root of 4x squared minus 1 dx. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking that if I had like a sort of a term with multiple factors here, and then this would. Okay, hey, look, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set. Okay, so we have I equals the integral of 1 over x squared root 4x squared. They've already gone. Let's spoon rocket. Okay, 4x squared minus 1 dx, which is equal to. Okay, so put u equal to 4x squared minus 1 du by dx is equal to 8x. So this is the integral of 1 over u plus 1 over 4, u plus 1 over 4 on the bottom, that's the x squared, times the square root of u, right, and then I'm going to times that by 8x, but what is 8x in terms of 8x, so dx is equal to 1 over 8x du, which is equal to, but this is telling me that x is equal to u plus 1 over 4 square rooted. Okay, I don't like this idea so much after all. Back to the drawing board.
Use trig substitution.
Wait, I was just coming to trig substitution. Which trig substitution? Wait. Okay, so scratch. This is turning into scratch work, turning to my scratch work. What if I say you See you. This is x squared minus 1. Hello? Hello?
Oh.
What was that about? U equals. So if u equals sine. If I say. Well, I always. X equals. So sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So 1 plus tan squared is sec squared. So sec squared minus 1 is tan squared. X equals secant x. I'm going to try x equals secant x over 2. Why don't we try that? Okay, so then dx by d... Oh, sorry, secant t over 2. And then dx by dt is equal to... Right, so secant is 1 over cosine. So if I differentiate 1 over cosine, I get minus sine x times minus 1, just have 1 cosine minus 2. What was it? Yes, t minus 2t. Oh, you have my food. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll be rewarded. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to reward myself when I get that. Okay, thank you very much. Emily. Chelsea. Oh, I remember. You're now there with Roman Abramovich and like Diogo Dogba's playing, and it's like I'm back. Okay, Chelsea, Victor, Chris. Okay, so back to 12. Minus sine t cosine minus 2t. Oh dear. Over my. I think it's sec x tan x. Do I remember that correctly? The derivative of sec, is that sec? Is it sec? Yeah, it's secant tan. Yeah. I think that's right. Yeah. It's secant. Tan. Yeah. It's secant t tan t over 2. So this is going to be the integral. Let's go back to this. 1 over secant squared t over 4 times the root of secant squared t minus 1 dx, but dx is secant t, dx is secant, dx is x, dx is secant t tan t, whoops, I haven't left my, over 2 dt. Okay, that's equal to integral sec squared minus 1 sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So divided by cosine, I get tan squared plus 1 equals secant squared. Okay, so sec squared minus 1 is tan squared. So that's tan. So that's 1 over secant squared t tan t, and then if the 4 jumps up to the top, times secant t tan t over 2 dt, which is equal to the integral of 2. Tans cancel, 1 of the secants cancel, 2 cosine t dt, which is equal to Thank you very much. I'm going to treat myself to a nice cup of tea after this problem has been done. What did we have? X was equal to secant t, so t is equal to arc secant of 2x, like that is 2 sine of arc secant 2x bush plus c. And I suspect that this has actually got some sort of nice quadratic thing going on there, but we let's just not bother, let's just leave it like that. Is that right? Is this right?
The answer is not in the back.
Check in the back of the book.
It's even.
Oh, it's even.
It looks pretty right.
Answers in my laptop.
Who's gonna check this for me while I eat my lunch?
Can we
Check it.